If you've ever wondered where I get my sublimation blanks from, or you're looking for a quality source that has a variety of products in stock, then stay tuned because in today's video, we'll be taking a look at the SubliCraft line from Heatpressnation. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Selena, and as some of you know, I've recently added the Signature Series 8-in-1 Mug and Tumbler Heat Press from Heatpressnation to my workshop. And one of my favorite things about it is the versatility and vast amount of products you can customize with it. So today I'm going to be pressing 3 different cups, all from the SubliCraft line, and we are going to be talking about what I like about them and why I think they make Heatpressnation a one-stop shop for all your sublimation needs. Now, some of the things I love about these blanks is that they fit perfectly into my HPN Signature Series attachments and give me a clean press every time. Sometimes when you're hunting for sublimation blanks, you can run into fitment issues which can affect your final product. Heatpressnation also offers free shipping regardless of quantity, so whether you're trying a new product or looking for more bulk blanks for your business, they've got you covered. HPN also offers built-in bulk discounts and savings on select blanks. Now, without further ado, let's grab our 17-ounce latte mug and get it wrapped and ready to press and throw into our machine. Okay, so we have our 17-ounce mug already wrapped and taped up and ready to go. So I am going to throw this into the press and just do one full press because that's what I love about the combination of the SubliCraft blanks and the Signature Series is that these blanks fit perfectly into these attachments, so we'll get a nice snug fit. I've already adjusted my pressure that I needed to do as well, which is what I love about the Signature Series. You're able to adjust 4 pressure points on the machine for specialty products like tapered mugs, and that's what I'm super excited about, to be able to press with this machine and be able to offer to my customers in my own small business as well. So let's go ahead and load this in. And what I also love is that you can go to the HPN website and they will give you every single setting that you need, your time and temp for your specific product that you're doing as well. They'll give you kind of a range to work with, and so I am doing 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 240 seconds. I will not be flipping this. Okay. And now we wait. Now, normally with ceramic items, I would wait for these to completely cool before I unwrap them, just because ceramic does get extremely hot. So just be very careful if you do decide to unwrap it while it's hot. I do advise just letting it cool first, but I am going to make sure I have my heat glove on. And it is still hot. I'm going to be a little careful here, but I am super impressed with how this turned out. Now remember, we pressed this one time. I will be completely honest, when I do any sort of top to bottom designs, I usually have to press the top and bottom again for a few seconds to get no sort of ghosting or bleeding on this, but this is perfect. So if you can see, the top is absolutely perfect and the bottom is just as perfect. I love a top to bottom design. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and press the 3-ounce espresso little mini mugs, and I've gone ahead and changed over the attachment. If you do want to see more in-depth with the Signature series and how to change the attachments, I did a very in-depth overview of this machine and all of the 8 attachments it comes with. Check out that video here linked above for that information. But I did go ahead and change the time and temperature according to the HeatPressnation instructions that they provided. And when I printed my design, HeatPressnation also provides a template for whatever sublimation blank you're working with from their SubliCraft line. So you can go on their website and download that as well. And this machine does heat up very quickly. So as soon as it hits the temperature, we're going to put this in there nice and evenly, and we're going to press it just one time. No flips. Okay, let's go ahead and unwrap this one. Just be careful, it's hot. And here's our little espresso mug. And I just pressed it once, and again, it has that nice flawless bottom and top. Looks so cute. Okay, and now I have the 1.5-ounce ceramic shot glass wrapped, and it's using the same temperature and time as the espresso mug, so we're just waiting on that to warm up. I did change over the attachment to the 1.5-ounce shot glass attachment, which I really love because that attachment is super rare and hard to find with machines. So usually you'll have to put those in an oven, but I just personally love using heat presses for shot glasses, so I'm excited to try this. This is my first full wrap shot glass with this machine and with the SubliCraft blanks. So I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. And for this one, I am going to put it in for 95 seconds. I said it was the same time and temp, but it's not. I'm going to put it in for 95 seconds, and I'm going to flip it because it's a full wrap, and I want to make sure I get every single bit of this pressed and no ghosting on the seam. So I am going to flip it. Now, because it closes so tight, theoretically, you should be able to press this completely in one go. But I am able to see just the slightest gap because the two little knobs touching can't get any closer. So there is the tiniest gap. And since I'm doing a full wrap design, that's why I'm going to flip it. I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Be careful. And I did add a little paper at the end of this one when I did flip it because it was kind of sliding out of the attachment because of as much tape as I use. So if you use less tape, you probably won't have this issue, but I use a lot of tape just to make sure my top and bottoms do press correctly. So I did add a little piece of copy paper, just a little trick to get it to not slide. There is our full wrap shot glass with our seamless design top to bottom and all the way around. Looks so perfect and vibrant. And for this, I did forget to mention, I did use the text print DTR Heavy Sublimation Paper by Beaver Paper, which, surprise, surprise, HPN does sell this on their website as well, and it does have very vibrant colors. So I did use that in today's video. in case you were wondering, but this turned out so cute. And this is actually my first ever full wrap shot glass. Tapered objects are just so hard to press if you're not using an oven or something. And even when using an oven, sometimes shrink wrap has its limitations and things like that. So this is really awesome to be able to do with the heat press, and you'd be able to knock out bulk of these. So I'm super excited to be able to offer these to my customers and add these to my shop as well. These are super fun gifts, super fun products, and people love to buy shot glasses. So an easy way to step up your product game in your own shop as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and our quick look at a few of the cups we pressed today from the SubliCraft line by HeatPressnation. This setup allows you to press more drinkware and lets you expand your product line for your customers. Now, these were just a few of the drinkware options that HeatPressnation does offer for their SubliCraft line. Not only do they offer drinkware, they also have a variety of equipment and various supplies for sublimation and various heat transfer products as well. So be sure to check out heatpressnation.com for all of those items, including the Signature Series 8-in-1 Mug and Tumbler Heat Press. And if you're interested to know more about this machine and all of the variety of attachments that it does come with and the different blanks you can press with it, be sure to check out my last YouTube video. I'm going to link that above here for you guys. I do an overview talking about the machine and doing a deeper dive into it. I do want to mention that HeatPressnation did send me the Signature Series and all of the blanks that we tested in the video. However, this video is not sponsored, and I have been personally using HeatPressnation and my business for many, many years, and I have personally purchased their products and backed their products in my small business, and I stand behind their consistency, quality, and customer support. If you have any specific questions about the SubliCraft blanks or this press, please leave them in the comments below. I can't wait to see you next time. Until then, happy crafting.